In this video, I'm going to show you how to view long-term trends in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money provides powerful visual tools to help you analyze your finances over time using the Reports section. To do this on desktop, go to the Reports tab in the sidebar. Then choose the type of report you want, such as spending, income, or cash flow. At the top of the report, adjust the date range to a longer period like the last 12 months, last 2 years, or set a custom range based on what you want to analyze. You can also apply filters to focus your view. For example, filter by specific accounts like checking or credit cards, or narrow it down by categories such as housing or discretionary spending. If you use tags or merchants, you can filter by those as well to get more detailed insights. Once you have a useful long-term view, save the report so you can quickly return to the same chart, filters, and settings later without redoing everything. This makes it easier to track trends and make better financial decisions over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.